friends, welcome to ARUNA CUISINES. In this video, I want to show you how to prepare stuffed brinjal curry in pressure cooker. I hope you have confidence in this channel, so please subscribe my channel and share this video.
Required ingredients for making masala: roasted groundnut 1 cup, 2 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 tablespoon cumin seeds, 4 tablespoon roasted sesame seeds, half cup roasted coconut, 1 spoon dhania, 6 to 8 garlic cloves and salt to taste. Add all these ingredients into a blender and make it fine powder. Now take out this mixture into another bowl. To this mixture add 4 tablespoon water and mix it with hand. Keep this masala aside. I am taking washed brinjal 250 gram. Cut the brinjal like this. First remove the spines and make cut like this. Now stuff the masala into brinjal and keep it in a plate. Keep aside remaining masala. I use this masala later. Now switch on the stove. It should be on medium flame. So in a pressure cooker, add 2 tablespoon oil, one tablespoon mustard seeds, curry leaves, and add 1 medium size chopped onion and mix it. Saute for a few minutes till onion turns to light brown color. Now add stuffed brinjal and mix well. To this add remaining masala, mix it and add 1 glass water, mix well. To this add half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 lemon sized tamarind juice and mix it. Now cover the pressure cooker with a lid. After 1 whistle of the pressure cooker, turn off the stove and remove the lid from pressure cooker. Now stuffed brinjal curry is ready. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe and share it. Thank you.